Here's the template that I want you to use to fight off medical debt. Is it The key points in this template? This is designed by myself at the credit repair shop, Stephen A. Williams. This document is going to make sure that they followed all the rules to number one, if they disclose your medical information, there is a way that you can make them go through the process of making sure that it wasn't uh, disclosed with an unauthorized third party. Even if a debt collector is hired by the medical provider, they could be violating it, and there's a way to look at if they're violating it by sharing the procedure that you had. And the next thing that you want to do is you want to validate the debt. There are a lot of medical debt that is out there that has been paid by the insurance companies, and people do not know how to challenge that. Even some of the times they'll send you a bill when they negotiated with the insurance company, they try to come after you for the remaining amount. They're not allowed to do that. There's also something called a No Surprise Bill Act. This letter is going to help you challenge that. Also, you have a right to know before any procedures are done, any lab tests are done, if it was authorized by your insurance or not authorized, and they have to tell you the amount. And then also, if they're reporting that information to the credit reporting agencies, this letter will also get that information removed. And again, this is a letter that is done directly to the debt collection company, or if it was a medical provider that is utilizing a third party debt collection company, and the debt collection company did not buy your debt. So this letter template, I've designed this one, gets very good results, and it's only $9.95. I think that it'll be well worth the cost on you investing, and you can utilize this letter for any medical debts that you have on your credit reports. But again, this is going to be directly to the debt collection company that is doing the work for the medical provider.